Okay guys, papunta kami ngayon sa hospital para magpa-swab test. Just a quick test para pagdating namin sa airport, hahanapin sa amin yun for sure. Dahil yung test namin from Donghoy is already expired. So, lumampas kami sa hospital just now. Yun, expired na yung aming test sa Donghoy. And then, so patest kami ngayon dito dahil for sure hahanapin sa hospital. O balik ulit kami doon. So ulit ko, papatest ulit kami. Kada lampas ulit. Nagluloko naman tong maps ni Jan eh. Maybe he needs new phone. Oh there, too many clinics here. Di pala clinics, tindahan ng rep. Maybe after here, just quick lunch and then go back to the room, rest, pack the things, ready to get about. Yeah? Bawal ang camera, bye-bye. In the hospital. Okay, guys, reminder lang, kung magta-travel kayo, you must have the PC COVID app. Dahil lahat ng facilities, even tindahan, kailangan nyo mag-register. Shout out kay Maring Ritz tsaka kay Paring Jose. Maring Ritz, tampo ako sa'yo. Alam mo kung bakit? Meron ka pala ditong hotel, The Ritz Carlton Residence Hanoi. Ito, meron ka pala dito. Hindi mo kami pinapa-check in. Yan oh. Ritz. Meron ka palang hotel ah. Joke lang. Wait for my pasalubongs. Na kami, it's like cabin testing. Malalim dito, malalim kasi hindi nakaposisyon. Hindi na ulit. Let's do that next time. Zipline, Dark Cave.